Hello, my friends. So, today we are going to be making these amazingly delicious pesto chicken kebabs. So, to make the kebabs, we first take the chicken strips and do the chicken makeup with some salt, pepper, and lime juice. And after mixing all of these together, we keep the chicken aside. And now, to make the Indian pesto, we take some mint leaves, double the coriander, add some green chilies, cashew nuts, curd, and garlic, and blend all the ingredients to make a thick paste. And then we beat the chicken strips with a spoon, and after beating the strips, we spread the pesto evenly on all the chicken strips. Then we top up the chicken strips with onion rings and capsicum, and also spread some cheese on top of it. Now we fold the chicken strips as shown, and then we insert a toothpick for it to hold the shape. In a pan, we add very little oil, and then we grill the chicken until it is done and cooked properly. And now our pesto chicken kebabs are ready to be enjoyed for iftar. Please do comment and let me know how did you like the recipe. If you've liked the video, then please press the like button, share the video, and subscribe to my channel.